Google Drive, how to share document access. To share document access on Google Drive, firstly go to Google Drive and log into your Google Drive account. Once I've logged in, now locate the document that you want to share. So for example, I will use this document here. So click on these three dots here, click on it, and then you will see a share option here. Click on share and then click on, firstly, there's two ways you can do this. Firstly, you can click on this copy link. If you click on copy link, link will be copied. Then hit on this manage access option here. So here you can choose how do you want this to be shared. So you can, once you have created a shareable link, so now what we can do, we're going to adjust the permissions. So you can hit on restricted only, so which means only specific people can access, or you can change that to anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can access the document. You can change that, and then if you choose anyone with the link, you can choose the permission for it, whether you want it as a viewer so they can only view it, or as a commenter, which means they can comment but they can't edit it, or as an editor, which you give full editing rights. So you can choose whatever that suits you. Select that and then hit on copy link. So now you have copied the link. You can share it via email, chat, or any other platforms, and they can access this link by just clicking the link. So that's one way of doing it. Other way, what you can do is simply click on a document. So click on a document. So as same thing, locate the document, click on the three dots here, and then go to the share option here, and then click on this share option again. So click on it. So when you click on the share option, so now this will from here, what you're going to do, you're going to add the people whom you want to share this document access with. So you can add the people or groups here. So simply enter the email address in this box. So enter the email address in this box, whom do you want to share it with, and then for example here I will choose this email address here. So now you go to set the permission. So you go to click on this drop down menu here, and what type of permission you want to give them. For example, same thing, whether as an editor, viewer, or commenter. So if editor, they have the full editing option, so we'll choose editor, and then you can type a message if I want to, and then hit on send. So when I click on send, and the recipient, the person will receive an email notification as well, and then they can just access this file by clicking the link. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.